Kappa Ebisen. Japan has been reaching for this same bag for over 60 years. Let's find out why. The name of this snack doesn't start with the shrimp. It begins with Kappa. Kappa Ebisen. Every Japanese person knows this snack, but very few know where the name Kappa actually comes from. Kappa Ebisen. But why Kappa? Shrimp and Kappa, no matter how you look at it, the two don't connect. The answer lies in a place you'd never expect. In the 1950s, a manga artist named Shimizu Kon created a series called Kappa Tengoku, a playful comic featuring a river spirit called a kappa. It was beloved by the people of that era. Calbee's founder, Takashi Matsuo, was drawn to its warmth and charm. He obtained permission to use the character and launched a product line called Kappa Arare. Kappa Ebisen was born from that same lineage. A name that began with a beloved manga character. 60 years later, it's still on every bag. There was one thing Calbee's founder wanted to put into this snack. Something delicious, something nutritious, something that would truly nourish you. In post-war Japan, many children were still not getting enough to eat. Takashi Matsuo didn't just want to make something tasty. He wanted to leave a lasting impact on the health of those who ate it. That's why he chose shrimp. But how do you use shrimp? The trial and error began. After trying method after method, the answer they arrived at was unexpected. Take fresh shrimp, from head to tail, shell and all. Mince it whole. Shell, the tail, all of it used. Long before sustainability became a trend, Calbee was already thinking this way. That approach created the distinctive aroma and depth of flavor you know. And one more thing, this snack is not fried. The crunch comes from roasting with heat. Simple ingredients, no frying. A single, simple stick of snack. But inside it, the founder's philosophy is still intact. In 1964, Kappa Ebisen was released. Sales grew rapidly. This snack helped turn Calbee, once a small regional company, into a nationally recognized name. And there is something else Kappa Ebisen built. Calbee's potato chips arrived in 1975. The success of Kappa Ebisen supported Calbee's growth, and it was this bag that helped open the door to that next challenge. In 1969, a catchphrase was born. Yamerarenai, tomaranai. You can't stop. You can't put them down. A catchphrase that turned into a Japanese idiom, still on every bag today. More than 55 years later, those words are still printed on every bag. Why has this phrase lasted so long? Because it's simply true. The flavor of the shrimp, the balance of the salt, the texture that keeps pulling you back. The natural umami of whole shrimp makes it hard not to reach for one more. That's how it was designed. But Calbee didn't just keep making the same thing. The shrimp sourcing the salt levels, the texture, quietly adjusted over the decades, keeping pace with the times. The secret to a timeless classic is not refusing to change. It's knowing exactly what to change and what to leave alone. From 1964 to today. That's why Kappa Ebisen is still here.